Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and what I'm going to do today is a cut crease look. So I've already prepped my skin and I've done my eyebrows. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Starting off, I'm using this concealer from LA Girl and I'm drawing a line on my crease area. I'm not being very neat with it, so just go with the process that I'm doing here. Make sure the liner is very thick. Next up, I'm using this orange shade from this palette and I'm going to build it on the liner that I've applied with the concealer. As I've not set the concealer, the red shade will slowly and steadily build on it and it will show its color. It's a slow process, but trust me, the results are amazing. So just be with me over here. Moving on, I'm using this micellar water from Nivea and I'm taking a clean brush and I'm going to draw the shape that I want and clean up all the edges. So this is the reason why I was not being very precise with my concealer and the eyeshadow that I have applied. This will make sure that my liner is as sharp as possible and as sharp as I want it. Just to make sure my eyelids are neutralized, I'm using this color from this palette and I'm going to apply it very roughly, just like powdering my eyelids. Moving on to my face, I'm using this purple primer. It's a very nice primer, and as I'm going to be home only, so I don't need a primer to be long lasting. So filling my pores, this primer does the work. Moving on, I'm using this LA Colors concealer. I love this concealer and have spoken about it. I'm going to make sure that I cancel out all the marks and spots on my faces with this concealer. Just drawing onto my face very randomly. Making sure it's all blended and nice. Applying concealer before your foundation makes sure that you don't have to use a lot of foundation and the end results are not cakey. Take your own sweet time blending away everything. Moving on to foundation, I'm using this purple foundation and I kind of like this foundation even though the shade could have been better, but nonetheless I really enjoy this foundation. The finish and everything is very much suited to what I like for my skin. So if you want something in an affordable range, you can go for this foundation. Next up, I'm powdering my face with my favorite Palladio rice powder. Like, I cannot go wrong with this powder and I cannot stress less that how good this powder is. I'm using the Savannah Colors palette to do everything from bronzing to blushing to even highlighter, and I love this palette. It's so versatile, it's so pigmented, and the finish is amazing of this palette. So I'm using the brown shade to contour my face slash bronze my face. Mixing up all the blush shades and I'm going to blush my face. So as you can see, I'm applying the blush very high on my cheeks. I like it that way. And going very heavy on my nose. I know I messed up here, but it's okay, I'm going to blend it. The highlighter is so beautiful and so subtle, yet it has that shine and blinding effect to it. One of my favorite palette when I don't want to invest time on thinking on what blush to use and what highlighter to go for it. Letting loose my hair. Moving on to my eyes again, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. So I'm not using any fake lashes today, so I'm making sure my eyelashes are lifted by curling them. Using this Wet n Wild Max Fanatic, it's a nice eyelash mascara, and I've applied at least 3 to 4 coats of it to make sure my eyelashes are lifted. Moving on to my lipstick, I'm using this purple kind. This has a purple tint to it, and I'm going to neutralize it with this Matte Me in color lipstick. Going to blend it with my fingers. And that's it for the final look. I love how it has turned out. It's a very trendy look, very easy to do, and the whole look comes together with your hair and everything done right. So if you like this video, you know the drill. You need to subscribe to my channel, you need to like my video, and let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next. Until then, bye, take care.